Since we're unable to gather in the Pavilion 1 for the assembly at this time, we hope you enjoy watching our Thai assembly on Zoom today. If you're all ready, let's see what we're going to show you in the video today.
What are you doing? I'm wrapping a gift box for the poor children in the remote area. We are sending this gift to them as the New Year approaches. Why do we have to send them gifts? Because giving makes both the person receiving and the giver happy. I'm still not sure how this makes us happy. Let me tell you a story, and at the end of it, you will understand how giving makes us happy. There was a family of mice living in a little village. There were Mother Mouse and her two sons. Mother Mouse was the best seamstress in the village. She always had a lot of customers. When winter came, business was especially good. Jut had to help welcome customers and deliver goods all day long. One day, Jut had to deliver goods to many places. It was already dark when they finished delivery, so the two brothers hurried going home. Suddenly, bang! Their truck smashed into a huge rock. Jut fell from the truck into a coal pond. Help! Help! They shouted out as loudly as they could. Immediately, both of them floated above the water. It was Uncle Jumbo, the elephant, who used his trunk to scoop up those two little mice. Uncle Jumbo hugged both little mice to warm them up and then brought them back home safely. Thank you, sir, Jut said to Uncle Jumbo. At night, Jut went to their cozy bed with a warm blanket, but they could not sleep. Then they got up and knit wool the way Mother Mouse taught them to. After that night, Jut would knit wool whenever they had free time. In the beginning, they were not good at it. As time went by, they started to improve. Winter has passed and both mice kept knitting wool. Summer has passed and both mice continued knitting wool. The rainy season had stopped and both mice still knitted wool. It was not until next winter when the two brothers stopped knitting. Jut and Jut rose early today. They carried a large brown box and headed for the washwood. The two mice were looking for someone. The air was frosty, but that couldn't change their mind. There he is! Both brothers quickly ran to Uncle Jumbo, who was shivering and sitting by a fire. Oh, little mice, why are you coming into the woods in such a cold weather? You had better return home, said worriedly Uncle Jumbo. Uncle Jumbo, we won't be happy if you are still freezing outside in the cold while we live in a warm house. We have not forgotten that you saved us last year, said Judith. Yes, sir. We want to return your favor, added Jidgut. Judith and Jidgut handed a large brown paper bag to Uncle Jumbo. Wow! What a beautiful sweater! Thank you to both of you. Uncle Jumbo put on the huge sweater. The sweater was a perfect fit, and that made Uncle Jumbo very happy. Uncle Jumbo gave Judith and Jidgut heartfelt hug. This sweater is a very warm, but the kindest of the two must make this winter the warmest ever. That was a lovely story that inspired us to give. We'll get some gifts and send them to those children as well. The new year is a time for joy, giving, and sharing. If we have the opportunity to give, we should do so and pass the good things on to others. And as the new year approaches, we like to wish you joy and happiness in the coming year with a new song called Pohn Bpee Mai, which translates as New Year Blessing and was composed by His Majesty late King Bhumibol. The lyric was written in December 1951 by Prince Jakapan Pensili as a New Year blessing for the Thai people. On January the 1st, 1952, two orchestra, the Suntara Horn Band at Sala Chalun Thai and a student orchestra at Chulalongkorn University performed the song for the first time. The song itself has numerous new versions that have been rearranged in various musical styles and performed by well-known Thai artists. We've selected one of the most recent versions for you to enjoy here.
วันปีใหม่พาให้บรรดาเราท่านรื่นรมโปรแกรมดีแปรมฟรีชื่นชมต่างสุขสมนิยมยินดี
ข้าวิงวอนขอพรจากฟ้าให้บรรดาพวกท่านสุขสีโปรดประทานพรโดยปราณีให้ชาวไทยล้วนมีโชคชัย
ให้บรรดาพวกท่านสุขสันต์ทุกวัน
ทุกคืนชื่นชมแห่งสุขพระทัยให้รุ่งเรืองในวันปีใหม่
ขอชาวไทยจงสวัสดีตลอดปีจงมีสุขใจ
ตลอดไปนับแต่บัดนี้
ให้สิ้นทุกข์สุขเกษมแปรนปรีสวัสดีวันปีใหม่เธอ
you for participating in the Thai Assembly on Zoom. We hope you have a good time watching today's video presentation.